Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Python token. Name of the token is Python, ticker symbol is also Python. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, February 20th, on a very big central exchange, actually two big central exchanges, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Python is an artificial intelligence-powered programmable assistant designed to enhance decision-making, automate tasks, and generate insights. Users can interact with Python to analyze data, execute smart contracts, and optimize financial strategies. Now this token is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. There is 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply is 1 billion Python tokens. And right now they have 3,042 holders according to their BSC scan. Now, this token just got two very big central exchange listings starting today. So February 20th at 8 a.m. UTC time. This token just got listed on Mexc Global and on Weex. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Weex or an Mexc Global account, I have both of those referral codes down there in the description box. You're welcome to use either one of those if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global or that Weex referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol Python, and then simply just buy the token. Now they have a Telegram, they have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project at Python_HQ. 28,400 Twitter followers, and their Telegram at Python_HQ. This is the community chat Telegram. 11,462 members, 1,372 online right now. This is a pretty big project here. So it says here, in today's world of rapid advancements in AI and blockchain technology, Python emerges as a groundbreaking programmable AI snake project. This project is not your ordinary AI application, but an intelligent system with self-learning abilities that can deeply understand user needs and provide personalized responses. By integrating advanced machine learning algorithms, deep learning techniques, and personalized interaction mechanisms, Python offers users a highly intelligent and customizable virtual companion. Now, this AI system continuously evolves and optimizes itself based on user feedback and interactions, ensuring services that are closely aligned with users' needs. Python's goal is not only to solve practical problems for users, but also to become an integral part of their lives through long-term interaction, constantly adapting to and understanding their evolving needs. As technology advances, Python will further expand its applications into broader industries and everyday scenarios, becoming a true intelligent partner capable of autonomous thought and action. So their vision, Python's core vision, is not only to provide a powerful AI tool, but to enhance the overall user experience through innovative AI interactions, empowering users to achieve personal growth and breakthroughs through their interactions with technology. We also believe the true value of technology lies not only in its utility and operability, but also in the vast possibilities that it can unlock for its users. Python's goal is for every user to discover more of their untapped potential and creativity through interaction, helping them transcend their cognitive boundaries. In the near future, Python will not just be a tool for intelligent partners growing alongside users, helping them deepen their thinking, broaden their horizons, and also enrich their experiences in both entertainment and education. And through interactions with Python, users will not only gain precise solutions, but also improve themselves through continuous learning and reflection. Now, the token distribution here, like I said, there's 1 billion Python tokens, BEP20 token. 45% of the tokens go to the community incentive pool. 20% go to ecosystem development. 15% liquidity. 10% core team. 7% early supporters. And 3% goes to the emergency reserve. Now, the Python token is the key connector between users and AI services. As the utility token, it allows users to access various AI features easily. It also serves as a symbol of recognition for users' contributions, whether offering feedback, sharing experiences, or engaging in community building. Users can earn tokens in return. Furthermore, token holders can participate in ecosystem governance, voting on Python's development direction. So the service payments, it says you could pay for AI agent service usage, contribution proof, incentivize code, data, and creative contributions, and also for ecosystem governance, priorities of new features for future development. Now, they have this project, it says, was designed a complete economic cycle system to ensure the smooth flow of value within the ecosystem. Users can use Python tokens to exchange for AI services, for quality interactions and contributions, and will be rewarded with tokens. And these tokens can be used for additional services or the ecosystem governance participation. The circular mechanism establishes a self-sustaining value ecosystem for Python. So this token here just became available on 2 big central exchanges, Weex and Mexc Global. It is available now, so make sure you check out both of those referral codes down there in the description box, especially if you don't have an account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.